Yeah.
Check it out, y'all.
So we made it to another skating rink, and today we are in Central Park, and I'm so excited because this skating rink looks just perfect, and it costs $30, which is like in Bryant Park. It's rental, and again the entrance, and as well we paid for the locker because I forgot mine. And here it's a locker rental, so you don't have to buy it and you will get your money back. And we didn't stay in a line for a long time, it's just 5 minutes, and we're inside, and we're right to our new skating time. So I think it's going to be awesome. I'm skating in a Central Park. Oh my god, happiest day of my life. I'm so happy. I'm looking at the Plaza Hotel, and you know, it's insane. You can't believe it. It's too good to be true, and I'm so happy. And actually this skating rink is really the best. It's better than Bryant Park 100%. It's cost the same, it has less people, and it's bigger, and you know, it's all around. The Central Park is all around, and you can see the Plaza Hotel and the buildings. It's amazing. So I recommend you better to go to the Central Park skating rink rather than the Bryant Park or Rockefeller because it's super small. By the way, it's super awesome that here you're allowed to make pictures and videos, whatever you want, because in Bryant Park you cannot do this. And so even the staff, they help you to make photos, pictures. Just ask them if you're with your friends or if you're by yourself. Don't worry, you'll get amazing pictures from here. And you know, people are so nice here. It's a lot of fun, and I love it. Yeah. Oh my god. So we finished our skating, and now we're walking in Central Park, and this is really love. I love Central Park, and I think I could walk here just forever. And it feels like autumn right now because there is no snow and a lot of, you know, green leaves and trees, and it's warm and people are walking, and you feel like it's October or November, and only Christmas lights and Christmas tree reminds you of the Christmas. But I'm really so happy because the weather is now so fine. It's way much better than the weather that I arrived. But be prepared for any weather because it might be cold, it might be warm. Today it was raining actually, so you never know. By the way, there's a super cool place which is called Tavern on the Green in Central Park. It's super cute, it's super cozy. I've never been there, but many friends recommended me this place, and it looks very nice. We wanted to go there for the Christmas, but we couldn't reserve any places because it was reserved or booked. But I think it might be a great option for lunch or something, so check this place out definitely.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the house.
If one day I'll tell you that I find something better than New York, call the emergency, I go crazy. Another cool thing to do in Central Park is, of course, riding a bicycle. And there are a lot of places for rental, but I highly recommend you to go to those men who are trying to sell you the rental bicycle and try to make the price lower, they will agree. Like, pretend that you're thinking that you're not sure if you want to take this bicycle for this price, and most likely they will do discounts for you. Like, you will be able to rent 3 hours of bicycle for the price for 2 hours or for 1 hour. So don't take the first price, always ask for discounts.
I'll give it to you for 120 total for all three of you. 120.
Just don't bother go to the entrance of Central Park and look for the people with green lists, and they will offer you a lot of bicycle rentals for good prices. And yeah, just take a bicycle and go to Central Park. It usually takes 1 hour to get the whole circle around Central Park, which is nice and which is a little bit hard. There are sometimes weak points where you have to climb up, and then the perfect moment when you go down, it feels so good. So just try it, especially during the summer or during an autumn. So when it's not cold, take a bicycle. And I'm actually really want to take one because now it's super warm and I saw a lot of people taking it, so why not? Right now I'm waiting for my another friend. I have a lot of friends in New York, and we want to walk and we want to check out one really nice place which is called Ralph. It's a Christmas cafe restaurant. You will see the crazy decorations inside it, like all the Christmas balls and lights. I'm not sure if there are any free places in there without reservation, but we will go and try. And I will take you guys with me, of course, and show you one of the most popular Christmas cafes in New York. Everyone, today is 2nd of January and it's time for me to leave downtown and my friend's apartment, and from today I'm going to live at Couchsurfing. I'm super excited because I've never done that and this is my first time experiencing it. If you don't know, Couchsurfing is a kind of website, is a kind of community, a culture. People in every country, they offer you their home, like they host you absolutely for free in order to exchange experience, culture, to communicate. So basically you can find free accommodation in every city. You can find your couch surfer for basically 2 or 3 days, because not many people are ready to offer you their home for 1 week or more. And it's also, the thing is that you cannot find it 2 months in advance. Like, it's better if you search 1 week before you want to stay, because many people, they are busy, of course, and they don't know their schedule. So yeah, in New York I found one, and this couch surfer has really great reviews, so I hope that everything will be fine. I'm right now about to go to Manhattan to meet that couch surfer and to get the keys because he's working, and then later in the evening I will go there because it's in Queens. So I'm super excited again because I've never been to that area, and I will tell you more about this in my experience. I think it would be very, very interesting to try this, to live somewhere for free and to meet local people and to communicate with them and to live with them. So see you later. Well, it's time for Soho in Tribeca. Today at 2 p.m. I will have a free walking tour in Soho, Little Italy and Chinatown. I am super excited because I didn't discover Soho that much. And right now I'm in Tribeca, and you can see those pretty houses, New York houses with stairs on the windows, which is super cool. I like it. And yeah, today is very, very warm. The weather is great. Yay, I'm so happy. I was dreaming the whole year of coming back to New York just to buy this amazing skincare peeling. This is something unbelievable, and you can use it for 1 year. Yes, it's expensive, but it's like one amount you pay for doing facial somewhere in beauty salon. So it's absolutely worth it. And I love this place because before to sell you something, they will do you some hand spa, they will tell you about the products, you will try yourself, and you will see that this cosmetics has an incredible effect, especially for face, and it's Israeli. You can also maybe order it online. Check out Ariana. I really love it, and they have now discounts. They gave me for free right the same peeling. I am really so shocked because I didn't expect that, but this is really cool. And I have a few minutes left until the walking tour. I want to go to one nice place called Matcha Full. I saw it in vlogs of some Victoria's Secret model because I love matcha, so I want to try it. And then I will be ready for my walking tour. And I'm really excited, and I really like the area of Soho. It's so fashionable, it's so unique. Everyone is so stylish here, and you can see a lot of boutiques and vintage stores, so it's amazing. And a lot of restaurants and cafes and bakeries as well. I saw one bakery and it has a huge line to it. Today, like the weekday on 1 p.m, still they have a line.
Genuine color, win color.
New York City.
Awesome, right? See some sights, right? You see all the... Well, I'm a stock artist. No, it's not gonna work.
So quickly guys, in the middle of the tour, I just want to say that Soho is a pure love. I've never been in this area, I guess, because I don't remember these houses, but it's super nice. And people are here so stylish, again, as I already said. And I love the guide as well. So it's very interesting. And I'm so happy I decided to attend this tour.
But Soho, you can only be an artist to live here, say 1960s, 70s, but it became so popular.
That's just, oh my god, because today I've seen the building where Heath Ledger died. I've seen the building where Demi Moore from the Ghost movie lived. I've seen the apartment of Cher and Cindy Crawford in New York. Like Soho, oh my god, that's super cool. And now we are crossing and going to Little Italy. So we just finished our walking tour and we're right now in Chinatown. It's a Columbus Park, and it's so funny because here Chinese people are playing some games, some table games. It's so funny, I don't know. I really loved the tour. We've seen so many interesting places, like apartments of celebrities, apartments of movie star heroes. Apart from that, there were a lot of interesting history facts about those neighborhoods like Soho, Chinatown, Little Italy, and we walked in really nice and fancy streets in Soho, which I basically think that I forgot because I don't remember that it was so beautiful. So guys, I highly recommend you to take some tours. If you don't speak English, no, of course you speak English. I mean, Anyway, just try to find a tour. It's absolutely worth it because that way you will learn the history of the city, you will learn more about the city, you will learn and you will experience from that. So do that. And right now I'm going to, I think I want to take some matcha tea or something because I will go to Rockefeller Center to meet my friend, and I will go through the Soho, so maybe I will take some tea there. And then later on we will go to some taco place. I'm super excited. I've seen it today, this afternoon, and it was so crowded, and I think it's going to be delicious because I love Mexican food, and if it's delicious I will share with you this place and you will definitely can go there.
Yeah.
This is super good.